SaberCats. That's where we're going. Reserved till 3 a.m. San Jose Pavilion. SaberCats. We're gonna get 4 grilled cheese.
What that is?
Animal style, all of them.
Alright, any further drinks?
No, thank you.
That's it to go or the front of the box?
To go.
It's gonna be $9.22, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
There you guys go.
Right on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks.
We're home now, and San Jose SaberCats whooped butt tonight. They scored like 78 points. It was great. They won. And now we're home with our In-N-Out. Boom. Yum.